Okay, we're going to do a little project to learn about NURBs today. And in order to create a simple object, we'll choose um, the CV curve tool. Okay, and then in the fore view, we'll select the front view, and by holding the X key down, we can snap to our grid. So I'll click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'll hit return on the keyboard, and then I'm going to hit the space bar while putting my pointer over the perspective view. Take a look at, essentially we're going to make a boat, and this is the hull. We're going to duplicate this with Control or Command D, and then the W key, we will push this forward, and then we can scale it R and do a scale all a little bit. We'll pinch this in. Notice our numbers changing over here in the channels box. I'm going to just take the value of the X and just flatten that right out. Okay, I'm going to make another rib for the back of the boat. Control D for duplicate. W. You can also find the duplicate up in the edit box. R will scale this down for the tail end of our boat. And then to make the back panel, I will duplicate and scale my duplicate. So I have a little thing for the oar to stick in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select the front, the middle, and then the back. I'll do this as a two-part process. And then make sure that I'm in surfaces, right? I'll choose surfaces and then loft. Okay, that makes the hull of our boat. So the 5 key will give us a shaded mode, and if I want to turn the grid off, I can go display grid. That'll shut my grid off. Okay, and then I've got these the back end of the boat here. I can select these two parts and make a surface loft of those two. Okay, so I have the surface selected. I'm gonna shift click to get the hull of the boat, and then I'm gonna group those together, edit, and then come down to group. Control or Command G would be the same, and I'll call this group boat. Contains our two objects. Okay, and then if I want, I could pull this boat off to the side so that I can see what's going on here. Okay, now to change our boat a little bit, I could grab and make it look like it's a little bit of a boat. I'm going to grab both of these at the same time, pull those up. So there's our little boat. And then we could put that in the water. We could make the top of it, make a flagpole, a sail, and we could float our boat around the Lake Michigan and go hunting for some Asian carp. Yeah. Anyways, that's a quick way to making a boat. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to show you some really cool modeling tools in the next video. So prepare for that. Go as far with this as you want to or need to, and you can make your modifications to make all kinds of boats out of it. And I'll stop right there.